Hey, and welcome back to this week's video. This time it's all about competitor monitoring. I've done a lot of that in the past for my own companies, and I wanted to stay ahead of the competition with it. I wanted to assess myself, so how I'm actually doing, but also it was for me around inspiration, thinking about new ways to attract customers, but also new product features. And I was always writing down all of the information in one simple Notion file, and today we are sharing this template with the world for free, and also we added a bunch of other resources around it. First of all, I want to do a quick walkthrough of the template, and we are starting out with the resources. So we curated over 100 resources around competitor monitoring, everything from videos, podcasts, over to data sources, and they really help you to get started and make the first steps with assessing your competition. Second up, we came up with a bunch of different questions around the different areas of a business. So think about product or think about marketing. It's about which questions should I ask myself to learn more about the competitor. And these questions really help you to assess yourself and come up with the first analysis. Next up, we created a SWOT analysis template. So a SWOT analysis is always really cool to see how you're doing right now, where your strengths are, where your weaknesses are, but also come up with opportunities and threats. And now we are coming to the core of the template itself. It's the competitor list. So imagine you are using Notion and you are creating a list of all of your competitors. These can be either direct or indirect, and you have all the information at one place. And the cool thing about our template is that we created guiding questions, areas, things that you can use to make it really easy for you to get started. First of all, we have a list of different items that you can fill out. Everything from estimated revenue over to employees, and also the simple things like links to their URL, to their website, to their LinkedIn, to their Twitter. And then we have different areas that you can look at for each kind of competitor. Starting out with the market, then moving over to product, and moving over from product to sales. And in each of these areas, we have collected the main question that you should ask yourself. And the value that you get here from the template is you don't have to come up with these questions yourself, or you are sitting in the office and thinking, oh, what should I ask myself, or what should I look at? This really helps you to go through them all of after each other, and then you come up with a solid analysis of your competitors, and it also gives you new inspiration of what you can look at. So everything from branding, marketing, sales, product, over to also doing a SWOT analysis for your competitors, and then in the end also creating actionable insights out of this. And it's really cool to have all of this in Notion, because you can work collaboratively with your team on it. It's the tool we all love, we all use. And if you want to download your own version, make sure to go over to tona.so, then resources, Notion competitor monitoring template, and then you can download the template here for free. And I hope this video was helpful. If you want to learn more about how to grow your startup from 0 to 1, make sure to subscribe to my channel below.